Hello and welcome to Punk Science TV. In case you caught the earlier one, we are actually live, so sometimes things happen. But this is Punk Science TV, and I am Dr. Mangier. And this time we're talking about, and hopefully we can get it right this time. This time we're talking about Enceladus. So that's one of Saturn's moons. And what has been found on Enceladus, if I can just show you, are these actual sort of plumes of water, which are like this. If you can see these plumes of water, which are really quite large, that are coming from Enceladus. And this was a big surprise when the Cassini probe actually found these really large jets, and see how fine they are actually. They're really quite fine jets of water. So this is found, and this is quite a surprise on Enceladus. We weren't sort of expecting to find these really massive jets of water. This is quite a small moon around Saturn. And people have done all sorts of studies to see if they get bigger when it's in orbit, it's further away from Saturn in its orbit, or it's closer. So there's a lot of sort of investigation going on at the moment. And the other thing that has been found on Enceladus, if I can just, hopefully it won't crush it this time. The plumes that are coming from Enceladus, the water plumes, have also been found to have complex organic molecules, which is very interesting. So basically, it's got scientists excited because they're wondering if, because Enceladus has complex organic molecules and water, if there is any life on Enceladus. And at the moment, really, we don't know what actually triggered life. What is it that actually started life in the first place? But scientists tend to think that all you need is some organic molecules, some water, and some energy, and life will just kick into gear. And people like Paul Davis has pointed out that actually there's a lot of order to even just one DNA molecule. So it's and somebody's also said it's like expecting a Boeing 747 to going through a junkyard to produce the works of Shakespeare. It's not just the words and the letters and things, it's the actual order that you put them in that's important. But in any case, this is what scientists think, that all you need is some scientists think all you need is some water, some complex organic molecules, and some energy. So they got quite excited when these things were found on Enceladus. And so they're thinking this could be the signs of life. But what I'm saying is it's not necessarily the sign of biological life, because really we should expect Enceladus and other worlds to have these properties of water plumes, jets, and complex organic molecules, because I think it's happening as a result of the black hole principle. So it should be happening at every single level. Now, we do know that water is produced by black holes. If I can just show you, black holes, we know, spew water vapor. And also, complex organic molecules have also been seen coming out of black holes. So it's not too out of the question that the same process that's happening on Enceladus, the water plumes and the complex organic molecules, are just simply part of the black hole principle process. And if this is the case, then we should expect to see intermittent water plumes of quite high power coming out from other planets and other moons as well. I mean, we even see them coming out of stars and out of sunspots. So it's quite incredible. But that's the way that it is, because it's the same pattern all the way down, all the way down from a galactic center, all the way down to a thunderstorm, and also the interior of our planet. That's where all the oceans come from. So we should see the same sort of process all the way down. So all complex organic molecules and water and intermittent plumes and jets. And that is so far what we've been finding on Enceladus. On Mars, we talked about previously having these jets of methane. So I mean that's quite a more simple organic molecule, but we're getting the same sort of process all the way down. So finding the actual organic molecules and water on Enceladus doesn't necessarily mean that it is actual alien life. It doesn't have to be aliens, and that's me saying that it's actual, me being more pragmatic, I suppose, than some of the scientists. So this is it from Saturn's moons of Enceladus, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Punk Science TV, and if you did, please subscribe for updates for Punk Science TV on Facebook, or if you're watching this on YouTube or any other platform, please subscribe, and then you will get the actual updates. So thank you for watching, and bye for now, and see you next time.